Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to make restaurant style chicken fried rice. That's actually better, faster and cheaper than the box. The secret is how you follow the exact step and all the ingredients used in this recipe. So forget the delivery fee and the 40 minutes wait. This is the only chicken fried rice recipe you will ever need. I'm talking about perfectly cooked chicken and the rice that is light, fluffy and never ever mushy. Most people mess this up because they use the wrong rice or the wrong heat. Today I'm going to show you the restaurant secret that will take your fried rice from a soggy mess to a kitchen masterpiece. This takes less than 10 minutes to cook. Once the prep is done, grab your wok, turn up the heat and let's get cooking. If you're new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, please do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. So now, let's begin with this recipe. So first keep water for boiling. Cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 2 chicken breasts and add some salt to taste. Cover it and cook it for about 15 minutes. Cook it until the chicken breast is fully cooked. Then remove the chicken breast and leave it aside and allow it to cool down completely. So the chicken breast is cooled down now, then simply shred the chicken as shown. Make sure to shred it nice and thin. So the shredded chicken is ready now. We are going to use it later in the recipe. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 5 garlic cloves chopped, 2-inch ginger chopped and fry it for few seconds. Then add 1 green bell pepper cut in small cubes, 1 cup green beans finely cut, 2 onions chopped, 3 carrots cut in small cubes. Then fry it until the vegetables are nice and soft. So as you can see that the vegetables are nice and soft now. Then add the shredded chicken and fry it for 2 minutes. Let the chicken nicely cook with the vegetables. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 stock cube and then fry it again for 2 minutes. You can also add 1 tablespoon white vinegar if you like it. Then move the chicken and vegetable at one side and add 3 whole eggs and cook the egg until it is scrambled. So as you can see that the egg has got a nice texture now. When ready, mix everything together. Then add 1 large bowl cooked basmati rice. I have used golden Sela basmati rice. This rice is the best for preparing fried rice. In most of the restaurants they use it. Then give it a nice mix. Then add half teaspoon white pepper powder, half teaspoon sugar, half tablespoon dark soya sauce, 1 teaspoon Chinese salt. If you want, you can add half tablespoon white vinegar if you like. Then give it a nice mix. And fry the rice for about 5 to 8 minutes until the rice gets nice texture of fried rice. Then add handful of chopped spring onion and then give it a final mix. So the restaurant style chicken fried rice is ready. And there you have it guys, look at those individual grains of rice, no clumps, no mush, just pure restaurant quality. Better than the takeout and on the table in minutes. If you try this at home, tag me in your photos. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more better than the takeout episodes. The best part about this recipe, once you master the base, you can swap the chicken for shrimps, beef or just keep all the veggies. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.